Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. It's Lorraine here. I hope you're all doing well. Have you had a nice Christmas and good holiday, and hopefully you've all been able to rest and do some crafting away from your busy work or school or whatever schedules you've got. I hope that it's been enjoyable for you, and I'm wishing you all the best for the new year. So I've just been in the craft room. I've watched a flip through and a tutorial by Ruby and Pearl, and I'll try and link the YouTube link below so that you can watch hers. She made this little tag booklet, and so I thought I'd craft along, and so that's what I've done. So this is my little tag booklet. So it's just fastened together with this silk piece, and the front cover of it is a page that has this tag inside, and it's brilliant, is this, for using up all your scraps. So it's got bits of scrap papers. I've embossed and gone over that with vintage photo distress ink. It's got the same fabric as the front tie, which is just an old silky top that I've cut to bits. The back I've put on some vintage book pages and scraps of design team papers. It's clipped on with this paper clip, and I've just put this little dangly thing on there. And then this page, as you can see, I hope I'm really struggling at the moment with my camera set up again. So it's just vintage book page. It's from an old poetry book, is that one. Some paper that's from Line Dot Arrow, is that paper. Then this is just craft paper that I've run through the embossing page. The embossing, what do you call it? Big Shot. And then I've stenciled on some gesso just to highlight it a little bit. Flips over like this. And again, some embossed paper that I've stamped and distressed with some vintage photo. And again, some more of that digital paper. On the back of there, sorry, it came off when I undid that clip, is a large tag that I've used. I used some real, I can't remember the name of it, see-through paper. My head's not working. Give me some time off, and that's me. I've put some vintage music sheet underneath, a little bit from the vintage French book that I've been using throughout. I've covered it with this lovely vintage lace as well, and I love that page. And on the back I've just put this, this is a book page from an olive book that I have here. This next page has this large tag inside of it, and I've used again the inside of a book, what do you call it, like the front sheet of the book. I use that. I just like paper, I like the colour. I've used some more of that trim, and I've embossed some of that vellum, that's the word. I've embossed the vellum and put it there, and it looks really nice. On the back, again, some of the vintage music paper and a little stamp of music. And then this next flip, again, vintage book page and some digital paper, and I've stenciled again some gesso on there, and that opens. And again, some more embossed paper, that's handmade paper that I've embossed, and some more of the vintage French book. And this one's got a large tag. This again is the inside, it's the page from inside of the book that I've used up and stenciled gesso on there. I've left it clear at the back, so lots of journaling space on there, and it's got a grommet in there with some of the silk. Then the back page, just put those down. The back page is this. It's got some book pages again. I can't think what that is. It's a poem. It's another one out of the poetry book, which is, I don't know how old, but it's old. And then I've put some again of this vintage lace on here. And the back of it, we turn it over, has this large tag. I'll talk about a tag in a minute. And again, some embossed papers and some more of the vintage French book. And you will have noticed it's just fastened together using twine. So you can undo these and add extra pages if you want. The back tag is from some vintage music paper that I got in Athens that is nearly finished. And I didn't want to do much with it because I loved it. And it has this original stamp on it that I'm guessing it means it's an authorised edition. And it's got a stamp on there. And again, I've just stenciled some gesso on there, some music things. As you can see, it's from Athens. And on the other side, I've just used some of the vintage music paper again and some more embossed paper with the ribbon on. So that is my little tag booklet. So I hope you like it. Please bob along to Heather's channel and have a look at her videos. She's so good at talking you through things. She's so relaxed about it and really talks you through every stage of it. And I found it a really good tutorial to follow. So wishing you all the best. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.